Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm super excited to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share with you a new Mask Monday video. Hello, little alien friend. I got a new headband. So stinking cute. I love it, and wait until you see my face mask. As well as some of my purchases from the most recent Boxycharm drop shop. I think it might have been a mega drop shop, but I'm not sure. I can't keep up anymore. I love them all and I can't stop buying. I still have 3 videos from the previous mega drop shop that I still haven't had time to edit and share with you guys yet. So yeah, Chaos Jen is a little chaotic. Lucky me. All right, you guys ready to see my mask that I found? I got this at TJ Maxx. This was $4.99, I believe. And then I found these. I saw somebody else do these. I want to say it was Mary Catherine over at Mary Catherine Loves Cats, but I'm not quite sure. But I thought it was so cute. So I went looking for them at my local TJ Maxx, and I found a matching headband. What in the world? Aliens for everybody at TJ Maxx. I should name him, but I'm not. I'll think about it on my own time. So anywho, these are by the Creme Shop. It is 3 masks. I paid $3.99 for them. It is the Power Up Skin Animated Alien Face Mask infused with the power of greens, avocado, matcha, kale, and I never say this one right. Spirulina. But anywho, it is one that you put on, you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. No rinsing necessary. My absolute favorite. And then you just take it off, pat in the remaining essence. Plain and simple. So let's go ahead and get this mask on. Then I'll show you what I got from the drop shop. Oh, I love this, and it fits so well. Let me rub this onto my neck. Who's ready to see what I got from the drop shop? If you guys are not familiar with Boxycharm, I will link their website down below so you can go and check it out. It is a monthly subscription box program, and they offer mega awesome sales between their boxes. Oh, fantastic sales. I am addicted. Extremely addicted. Just in case I didn't say that already. Alright, first things first, I did get some Spongels. I got 3 Spongels for my boys. The first one that I got is the Men's Triple Butter Supreme Buffer. This is in the scent Cedar Absolute. And these are thicker than the ones that I get, like the flower-shaped ones for myself. I don't know why they're thicker. Maybe men need more soap. Not trying to imply anything there, but maybe. This one is in the scent Verbena Absolute. And then this one is the scent Bergamot Absolute. Now we have used all 3 of these because I bought them for my boys for Christmas, and we love all of them. I want to say, I can't remember how much they were. I want to say I'll post down at the bottom how much they were per box because it was a really good deal, which is why I got 3 of them. Then for myself, I got 2 sets of Spongels. They were 4 for $9.99. Here's what they look like. This is the first one. I can't read the name. I'm going to have to get on the site and see what that is. I don't even want to guess because whatever I'm coming up with, I just don't feel comfortable saying. It's not inappropriate, but it's just weird. I don't want to guess, but it does smell really good, and I will look up the name of it on their website and put it down at the bottom of the screen. Sorry, guys. This one I can read, and it is Honey Blossom. These all smell fantastic. Like I said, I got 2 full sets, one for myself, well, and probably my girls, and then 1 for giveaways. This one is called Apple Blossom. And I love that they're like spring scents. I don't know if they're going to come out with new collections every season or not, but I know that the last one that they had were fall and winter scents, and they were fantastic. And then this one is Blackberry. They all smell so fresh and clean. I love them. All right. The next thing that I got is by Kenzie, and it is called a Turbo Pore Vacuum. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but my sister mentioned them to me the other day, and they're just basically something that you use to clear your pores on your face that like vacuums them out. So here's what that looks like. It's like it has different different caps or something. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure how they work, but it was a really good price, as you can tell by the bottom of the screen. Then, as always with Boxycharm Drop Shop, I did pick up a couple Ace Beauté palettes. This one did have a slit on the outside of the packaging, like it just got cut with a box cutter or something. But it's okay though, it didn't mess with the palette, so I don't mind. This is the Quintessential palette. Let me get this out so I can show you. I love Ace Beauté. Here is what the palette itself looks like from the inside. It doesn't have a mirror, but it does have this really pretty design up at the top. Kind of hard to see with the light. Has a color saver. And then these, my friends, are the colors. We've got glitters, we've got mattes, and we've got shimmers. Super pretty. I'm really loving the pink right now for spring and summer coming up. And that one's actually called Rose, which is like my all-time favorite color, scent, everything. So it only makes sense that I would like it. All right, Quintessential palette by Ace Beauté. And then the other Ace Beauté palette I got is the Vintage Dawn palette. They do look very similar, I know, but they're not the same, I promise. The Quintessential palette is a lot bigger than this one. And the color stories, obviously, when you see them, are not the same. It does have a color saver. Now this one does have a mirror up top, so I'm going to cover that with the box. And then, ta-da! What do you think? Look at this. Oops, look at this blue down here. Look at this. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Lots of spring colors on here. Really, I can see them for any season, to be honest with you. But yeah. Definitely getting some spring and summer vibes for this one. And then one of the other features for the Boxycharm drop shops is they offer you the chance to purchase previous boxes. So I did go ahead and do that. This is one of their base boxes. You can tell it's a base box because it's red in color. And I do need to put my glasses on for this one. This ought to look really cool. Hey. It's not that much of a difference, but... That's funny. Anywho, the reason I need to have my glasses on is because it does have a card with all of the information about the products on it, and I want to be able to read these to you. All right, let's get started. Oh, no, wait. I have one more palette that I bought that I forgot to show you. I stuck it in here so that it wouldn't get damaged. This, guys, is my very, very, very first Natasha Denona palette. Isn't it gorgeous? I think this is the Ayana palette. I'm not quite sure how to say it. It's A-Y-A-N-A. But it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. I got a lot of eyeshadow palettes this time, didn't I? Okay, first things first. We've got Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And this says step 3, so it must be a collection. There's what the outside packaging looks like. And, oh, the inside packaging's pretty. Oh, wow. It's one of those cool pump ones. So there's the inside, and then look at this. See? This part right here, you push it down, and the product comes out at the top. That is awesome. I'm so tempted to do it, but I'm not going to because I'm working on using up some other moisturizers first. It says to use in the evening, massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. We can do that. And then the MSRP for this is $74. $74. Prices like that just blow me out of the water. I'm serious. Next, we've got a primer. This is the Primero Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. No, I'll have to read about this one because I'm not quite sure what it is. But that's what that looks like. It does have the pointed tip applicator. And let's read about this, see if we can't figure out what it is. Okay, so this is by Alamar Cosmetics. It is the Primero Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. It's a $15 MSRP. It is a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. So it's like a glue primer for your eyeshadow. That's awesome. I do need that because I'm starting to finally get brave enough to do some of the bolder colors, and that does include glitters, so nice. Okay, the next product that we have is by Skin Inc., and it is called My Daily Dose of Uplift, and it says Smooth and Lift. So some kind of a serum, a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. Cool. I love the color because it looks like roses, right? Oh my, look. Well, okay, fine. Here's the package right here. But look, it's got capsules in it, like real little capsules, and they're purple and yellow. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a decoration in a bottle. Let's see what we have. It is Skin Ink, My Daily Dose of Uplift, and it is a $65 MSRP. There's a lot of bang for your buck in this box, I'm telling you. We've got 2 more products. This is something by Ciate London, and it is called Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Shadow. Oh dear. Look at that. The color shifts on the outside of the package too. I struggle to use some multi-chrome like powder shadows. I can't imagine how this would work. Gee whiz. Look at this. Can you see the color changing? Ooh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is fantastic. Okay, Ciate London Shadow Flip. That is a $20 value. Okay, and then this last thing, I have watched so many other people open this and show it, and I drool every time, so I was super excited and shocked that I got it in this box. But this is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever Eyeshadow Palette. I'm sure most of you are already seen this, but you haven't seen it in my hands. So let's take a peek at the colors. Here's what the inside packaging looks like. It does have a mirror across the top, so I will cover that up, as well as a color saver. These are gorgeous. Look at this. Never go wrong with greens. That'll be fun for a St. Patrick's Day look this week. Got some shimmers and we've got some mattes in there, and those are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay guys, that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm drop shop. We are at our 20-minute mark, so let me go ahead and take off this mask. Oh, my skin always feels so nice after a Creme Shop mask. Oh, so moisturized like all day long. I'm not even gonna wear makeup today. Well, I already put some mascara on earlier, but other than that, it's a no-go for Jen because this makes my skin feel so good. All right, let me know down in the comments what your favorite product was. If you've tried any of these before, let me know what you think down in the comments. Or if you have any questions, feel free to ask away. Thank you so very much for joining me for my Out of This World Mask Monday. I hope you guys smiled at least once. I hope you all have a fantastic week. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye, guys.